ships, we are the coming voices of gentle seas. We are the voices of people.